So after deciding what you want to teach, the next is to plan your online course. Now, your online course is not just a bunch of information that students want to take. Students usually take online course because they want to solve a problem. They want to be better than before. So it's ideally like they want to go through a transformational journey. So somebody who is taking an English course to speak fluently maybe wants to do that not just because his English is bad, but mainly because he wants to impress maybe an interviewer, or maybe he want to talk more confidently when he's speaking English. So it's more about the transformation. It's like before taking the course, they had say zero skill sets, but after taking the course they are feeling very energized, or they are feeling more confident. So that transformation is what you should actually consider when you are deciding your course outline. So what you can do is you can take a blank Word document or Excel sheet, and in that you can write your course name and followed by the transformation that you want the students to achieve at the end of this course. So when the course is done, the student, let's say for example, will be able to speak English fluently and ace interviews. This could be the final goal. Now the goal before that could be that you are teaching him the skills to ace interviews very easily, and before that you are teaching them how to speak English fluently. And before that, you are conducting live one-to-one calls to help them practice more and improving their English. And before that, you are suggesting them some movies to watch or books to read and daily routines they need to follow, and so on. So you come from the top and you go down, drill down to the beginning. So this is one way you can actually plan your course outline, by breaking it into sections or goals. Now, one quick tip that I can give you is that you go around and see how popular courses have structured their courses. So for example, you can go to Udemy, check out a popular course or a highly rated course in your niche, and check out how they have structured the course outline. You can do that. You can again do this for any of your, let's say some known instructor is there. You can go and check their courses. So this way you will get an idea of how you have to plan your course outline. So for this section, I have attached some resources. So one of the resources called as a transformational worksheet. So in that you can write down the transformation that you want your students to achieve at the end of your course, and using that you can list down your course syllabus. So this way you will know what you exactly want to cover, or what all points you need to cover in your first online course. That is one thing. And second, I will also attach a video on how to use a particular tool called Xmind. So this will be very helpful for you. So I will attach the video of that particular mind map tool. It's a free tool. You will find the video in the resource section. So now that you have decided what you want to teach and the exact course syllabus, let's go ahead and start creating your course contents. Now you can create your courses, say in a PDF format or PPT format, but the most effective way to create your first online course will be to use videos. So in this the next section, I will show you how to record videos.